Alright, so this is the season final race for the middleweight Superbike Championship in 2002 with ASMA. We're at Arroyo Seco Raceway in New Mexico. This video's coming out a little late. Some things actually came up with this bike that I'm riding in this video that took all my time away from editing. So, sorry about that. Because this is the final race of the season, it's a double points round. But because of how close the season is, with Art and I being only separated by 1 point, none of that matters. What does matter is that we're gridded by points. But if you sign up late, like Art unfortunately did, you get gridded in the back of the experts. In between us is Jeremiah Downing. He's new to our organization, but he's another expert racer from another organization in New Mexico. After a mediocre launch, I'm third into the first corner. I know that I have some time, so I just need to get some passes as soon as I can, but not risk anything. And here I see my first opportunity entering 11R. I take Scott for the inside, and we drag race a little bit down the back end. Coming into the bus stop, I know I have the pass. Just as we cross the start-finish line for the first time, our leader of the race hits a bump just before a crack coming into turn 1. Washes out the front, and the back tire leaves black skid marks you can see in the slow motion. If you ever witness a crash during a race, you want to start paying attention to the corner worker stations. But do not roll off until you see a red flag. The race is still going. About now, I can hear another bike coming up behind me. You can hear him in the video as well. I'm gonna check behind me here in a second when it's safe, but for now, I know it's one thing to be able to catch someone, it's another thing to be able to pass them, but I cannot slow down. Alright, it's the new guy. Let's take him for a ride. I get a look at my timer. 1:11 is the best time, and right now we're killing it. Let's go. As we come into the bus stop, we can look at the timer again. 1:10.7. And we're close to that time right now. Let's keep going. Straight here, I turn around just to double check, and I did not expect anyone to be right there, but it's Jeremiah still on my tail. Now I know I need a guard for the rest of the race. The end of the race. It was definitely a close one. Jeremiah definitely came out of nowhere. Hopefully we get to see him more in the future.
That was fucking hard! Your boy's fast! Yeah! Oh man!
And with that race weekend, I won 2 middleweight championships.